Back to that avoiding re-injury. So you fix your shoulder blade mechanics, meaning that you're now going to put no additional strain in a precarious position onto your rotator cuff tendons. What else can you do? Well, ease back into it. So once you've done the isometrics and then you've done the eccentrics under slow controlled settings, then you kind of return to sport. All right, moving on to the red flags. What is a sign that this might be worse than you think? Look up the supraspinatus again. Think you strained it, but you got this nagging night pain. Really, it's terrible when you lay on your side there, or you were just very weak, even beyond pain limited. Like I said before, that weakness is going to indicate more likely a tear than a strain at that point. And the laying on your side pain, that may imply a little bit of subacromial bursitis. So the same space, that subacromial space, there's a bursa there. There's bursa all over your body. That is a place of potential friction between moving tissues, and it cushions that space. Well, subacromial bursitis is a very common pain there too. So you can get all kinds of different sources of pain in the same location, full of fluid and inflamed. The last thing it could be when you're laying on that right side and there's a pain there could be a sprain of your AC joint. So I mentioned that earlier. That's your collarbone and the acromion process there. So when you put those together, that's the AC joint. That's held together by ligaments. In this case, if you've sprained one of those ligaments, then you can have that pain as that joint is compressed laterally. So you're pushing this way, compressing that joint. It can cause additional pain that you're not going to feel when you're standing up usually, but it does create some pain if you're kind of crossing the body. So we do something called the scarf test there, and it might recreate that same pain.